Hello, I'm Dr. Sundari Mace, Sonoma County's health officer, and I'm here to share the latest updates on coronavirus in Sonoma County with you. As of yesterday, June 30th, we have 1,185 confirmed cases, up 49 cases in the last 24 hours. 558 are active, 620 are recovered, and now we have 7 deaths. We are up 2 since we last spoke on Monday. These deaths occurred at a skilled nursing facility and at a residential care facility for the elderly. Both persons were over the age of 65. And as we know, COVID-19 can be much more deadly for this age group. We've now done close to 50,000 coronavirus tests, and the rate of our positive cases is still less than 8%, reflects an average over the past 7 days. Today, I'd first like to talk to you about the upcoming holiday weekend. 4th of July is not going to be the same as it has been before. We won't be gathering with friends for barbecues, and we won't be at each other's houses for fireworks or congregating together to watch fireworks. Yes, this is breaking long-held traditions, passing up some of our favorite times, but for your own health and for the health of our community, we're asking that you stay at home. This weekend, July 3rd through 5th, per the state of California, public parking facilities and parking on roadways is prohibited in all state beaches within the county. Although beaches are open to local residents that can walk or bike into these public outdoor spaces, provided that they're practicing physical distance and abiding to new visitor guidelines, congregating is not allowed. If you do need to leave your home, wear your facial covering, stay 6 feet apart. Again, we do continue to see cases rising locally here in the county, as well as overall throughout the state. Yesterday, we had one of our largest case increases for one day at 49. I ask that you all be mindful of the real threat COVID-19 has in our county, to be vigilant, to model safe practices, wear your facial coverings, practice social distancing, and follow all the general hygiene measures, including washing your hands. I'd also like to tell you a bit about how some California counties are in the red on key indicators, to the point that the state has had to step in to reduce their business operations. For example, you may have heard about California counties that were ordered or recommended by the state of California to close bars. 7 California counties were ordered to close bars, and another 5 were given a recommendation to close bars. California Department of Public Health is making this process very transparent. Information can be found on the website. Look for county data monitoring. Currently, there are 19 counties that are being actively monitored, and they are working with the state on mitigation plans. As of today, further restrictions have also been announced by the governor on indoor businesses, and that can also be found on the state's website. I think it's noteworthy to add that some of the largest and most populous counties in the state, at least 7 of them, are in Northern California. This should give us all pause to know our own vulnerability here in Sonoma County. I want to emphasize the point that we need to stay put and minimize travel outside the county to only essential trips at this time. As of June 29th, Sonoma County is not on the state monitoring list. For more information, please go to the CDPH website, and you'll see the list of counties and where they are and how we compare. We are following our own metrics as well, and we'll notify you if we have more red flags in our metrics and if we end up on the state monitoring list. If you're interested in getting tested, you can go to OptumServe that provides free viral testing in both Petaluma and Santa Rosa. The Santa Rosa site is moving to the fairgrounds on Thursday, July 3rd, and the Petaluma site remains at the Petaluma Santa Rosa Junior College campus. Appointments can be made at lhi.care/COVID testing or by calling 1-888-634-1123, and you can select option 8 for Spanish. We've heard feedback from the public about receiving testing results from OptumServe. OptumServe testing services are provided by the state, and the county does not have control over how quickly these results became available. Testing is also available through your healthcare provider. Viral testing is no longer offered at the Chenate Sonoma County Public Health location in Santa Rosa. Additional pop-up testing sites will be offered and announced as they're scheduled. So thank you very much for joining me today, and have a very safe 4th of July weekend.